Good evening, parents.
Good evening.
Good evening.
I want to tell something for you.
Yes, tell.
Yes, tell.
I want a scooty
Why do you want scooty?
because it is very important, and you have seen
What?
that I want to study, and always I have to study to outside, so I want to study, and always I cannot walk.
You can go by your cycle?
Yes, you have cycle.
Cycle?
Yes,
No, it is
cycle.
not good.
Why it is not good?
Because-
Because your school is nearby
Yes.
Coaching?
and coaching is also nearby. It is so nearby.
No. But scooty is good.
Why scooty is good?
And
Because
it is very
take a-
important
it
for
take-
me.
It,
It is,
need petrol to drive.
so I have money, and you
So
can
you
also
can buy,
give me.
You have money, so you can buy.
I have no much money. I have money to purchase petrol, so that's why. So now, father, you have bike, so you know very well.
I know very well because petrol is so costly nowadays.
No, that much money you have, so you can also give me.
I cannot give you. I will give you for you. And
Yes.
what will I do for me? I will not. Do not have.
The mother, she will give me. She will give you, and me also.
She will give.
Either she will give.
She
She
does not
has
have
money.
But I have not that much money to buy.
I know you have much money, but you have no money. That much money, no, you have no money.
Tell clear. First, you want the scooty or money?
Scooty.
The scooty you want.
Yes.
So you will have to make a license.
Yes.
Yes, but I want a scooty, but you cannot give me a scooty, so please give me money to buy it.
I will not give you money. Now what will you do?
Why will you not give me money?
See, I will give you second hand car. Second hand.
Second hand, no, it is not good.
You want only.
It is like
scooty.
old scooty.
So you want a scooty for education, for taking education. So I will buy you second hand scooty.
So when I will purchase it, so like my all friends thinks that it is old and like dirty and garbage.
You can clean it. You can do whatever.
I
you
have
want
no
with
much
it.
money to clean it.
You do not have your hand.
No.
So how
I
will you
cannot.
do?
I cannot do.
See,
You will do?
I will not do. What
It's
will you
okay. Then I will. You cannot give me second hand scooty.
do? I will give you second hand scooty.
Mother, you will give me second hand scooty, new and like
Second
good.
hand scooty I will give you.
You will give me.
Yes.
It is no good idea, but I want a scooty. I was
We will
thinking
think
that
in your birthday, 18th birthday, we will think. Okay.
We will think about it later.
Yes.
later no.
Why?
Father, no.
Now I do not.
Now and today I want scooty. I want a scooty now. Now.
If you want a scooty,
Hmm.
so you will have to do work outside. Yes.
First
In a shop.
shop.
Or
Yes,
a
you
mall.
can work. You want scooty?
Father, I want to study or do work. Tell.
If you
can.
will.
You want a
marks-
scooty, and you also want to take education.
So I cannot do work in shop. You are thinking that I
you
am
want a
like
scooty-
lazy.
So I do not have also money to buy you a
If
scooty.
you want a scooty, so you will have to do work. Without money, it is not possible.
But I will not do work. I will not do
The
work
scooty is
in
not-
shop.
if you will not do work, so.
And they will not also give me salary much. Only half. Like 100 and 500 rupees.
So you want a scooty. So to buy scooty, you will have to do work hard.
But what is
Nowadays
thing?
you are not scoring good in your education.
Hmm.
So
So it is not
it is not
important.
possible to buy a
Now
scooty
I
for
want
you.
a scooty. It is not important.
So you are not performing good in your education.
Marks.
Marks.
Your
Yeah, in
marks
your-
is coming so dirty.
100.
60, only 60.
60% last
Yes.
Now,
time.
tomorrow is my result, so you can also. But it is secret. But now I will tell for you that now in the morning I had asked from my teacher.
What?
She was telling that
See, I will see tomorrow. Your result
Your-
is 100%. I will see tomorrow. Then I will purchase.
your marks is very good. That is 62. It is very good. 62. Before 60, now 62. It is good thing.
You
62.
you have scored 62.
Yes.
You
Yes, 62, mother. It is very good marks.
It is
62.
not good marks.
you will have to score above 90.
90. Yes.
90.
Yes,
Yes.
90.
No, 60 is very
In your-
good. I
No,
know.
it is not good. Okay.
And 90.
Yes.
And these
upper
things-
90.
These things make you collector.
These things.
Yes.
No.
It is
these
very
things
good
is
for
not.
me and
First
Now
you will
you
have
are-
to study.
Not.
no, now I am
will not
steady.
purchase you any scooty.
You cannot give me scooty.
I will not give you. First score good marks in your education.
And then we will think about it. If
And
you
I had
will
asked them-
marks,
Why are you pushing this talk in my I want this scooty? That. Why are you pushing
because
it?
in if you want a scooty, so we are you will have to accept that.
But
challenge.
then I cannot do. But I have an idea.
What?
I can do. Always I increasing my voice and good habits and like bad habit.
You will
You will increase your bad habit.
Yes.
bad
It is
habit.
bad habit.
God.
I-
Decrease.
Decrease. Yes. What are you listening?
So you will also have to score good.
Score.
It
good.
is also a good habit.
Then I cannot do.
Okay,
So,
so scooty is
scooty
also
is
not
a-
yours.
Yeah, okay.
Yes.
Then father, you can do something, but I want a scooty.
We will think
So
in your 18th birthday.
If you will score good, we will think about it. If you will not score, we
We
will
will not think.
Then
we will not
mother,
give you anything.
mother and father, then never you cannot think.
First
Then-
score 90%
And you
on
also
that
have to
day.
accept our talks.
Then
Above 90 if you will score, so on that day I will purchase you a scooty.
father,
Now,
you are telling lie. Then you will tell me that no, it is not a good thing. Do steady.
I
Steady,
am
steady.
promising you. Then I will do.
No, I cannot trust.
So you cannot trust. So I'm not also. I can also not trust that you will score 90%.
90%.
Above
Yes.
90.
But 62. Father thinks 62 is very good mark.
It is not good. It is bad habit. Okay.
Mother, don't tell. And in childhood, your marks was that 5 marks.
You are.
So don't.
You can see our mark sheet. There is 90 above the 90 marks. Yes, you can see all the
Okay.
relatives have 90.
And
above the
62,
90.
61 is good.
No, that is not good marks. So
60 is not good, but 61 and 62 marks is very good.
no.
You will have to score above 90. If you will not score, we will not give you scooty.
Then
Now
I
this-
cannot do.
It is a easy.
You cannot do.
thought.
So the scooty is not for you. Now
Father, how can you tell me
what?
that I will not give you scooty?
I will not give you scooty. I am telling. If you will score good on that day, I will buy you a scooty.
There is no people
What people?
that neighbor. I cannot tell to neighbor that please give me scooty.
What?
So you will give me scooty.
I will not give you scooty. You are not scoring good in your education.
Education. Leave this education study. I
Okay.
don't
How
like.
can we
You
leave?
don't like, so I will also not buy you scooty.
But I want it. Study.
I will not buy you scooty because you want scooty for your education.
Yes, I
You
want
if
to
you
do.
want to visit or show this thing to your friends, so I will not purchase.
So
Not tell.
I
What will
am
you do?
telling that leave this marks
So first score 9 above 90%.
90%, but it
Yes.
is not good. I am thinking that it is not good. Marks. 62 is
good.
very good.
62 is not
If
good.
you will not work hard, we will not purchase.
Now,
You will learn and
Now.
do.
Yes, now.
always I do
What?
hard work.
Hard work you do.
Yes, you can
This
ask
is your
from.
result. 62%. This is your result of
Yes,
hard work.
it is good marks.
Above 90, if you will score, then we will buy.
It is not. It is not good also. So I cannot.
No, it is not good. Okay.
It is not good.
It is
If
not
you-
good. Your 62%.
Okay.
Okay. You will marks.
Okay.
You will score above
Then
90.
then
And you will also have to follow the good manners.
Good
and
manners,
Listen to
okay.
our talks.
okay.
These
So
things you
then
will do. Yes, I will buy.
then can you give me
Yes,
scooty?
I will give you scooty. I am promising.
Mother, you
Yes.
two scooty.
Not one.
Oh, what? Okay. One scooty. Okay.
You
Then-
will have to. I am telling something that you will have to follow. If you will follow,
Then
this
I will
thing-
follow it.
So
follow
listen
it.
first. Listen first.
Listen to your father.
Okay, I'm listening. Tell.
That you will have to come before the night. So night like
Father,
8 o'clock. After 8 o'clock, I will not allow you to enter in home.
but I will follow. But first, you have to tell to your mother that never she will not to cook me good food. So I have no power to do it.
You do not cook good
I
food.
cook food, but she demands to junk food.
So you should scold her about it. That
I scold.
so you scold. So why do you make junk food?
When had I made?
Now she is saying that I had made junk
When?
food.
When had I
Father,
told you?
I cannot tell
What?
to my mother,
What?
father, that then you can give me scooty.
Yes.
Yes. If you
Scooty.
will do good marks, good thing you will do. Definitely, I will buy you a scooty.
Okay, scooty. Okay. So then, with scooty, can you give me like a steady book and
Yes. If you will demand for other books, education things, definitely. If I will not have, if I will not have any money, then that time I will also purchase you book to read, to study.
and mother, and you will give me scooty and what will you give me?
What I will also, I am telling that you should also follow all the good manners. What am I telling and what good manners are? You know very well.
Yes,
Okay.
I know.
So that good manners you will have to follow and. Okay.
Father, I will
Then
follow it, but so can you give me one like a big chart of good manners?
Okay. Yes.
You can make
To-
by yourself.
Today in evening
Okay.
we can.
Okay, so then now, now you will not give me scooty.
Now I will not give. After then, when you will score good, when you will do everything, will be
Final
perfect.
exam. In final
Yes.
exam.
No, when you will be able to be perfect, you will score everything good. That on that day, definitely
Now-
I will buy scooty.
Now you can also give me. You can also ask so many questions.
I do not want to ask.
Okay. Then okay, you will. Then you will give me scooty. It is good idea.
Okay.
Okay, thanks for giving me scooty.
Okay.